The DJI Mavic 4 is poised to become one of the most exciting drone releases of 2025, and as the launch approaches, leaks from trusted sources have provided a clearer picture of what to expect. Among the most intriguing features is a redesigned camera housing, which has been described as resembling a tennis ball. However, this unique design choice has sparked discussions due to the apparent lack of a mechanism for attaching traditional ND filters. While this might seem like a drawback, there is a compelling reason behind the omission. Speculation about the Mavic 4's capabilities is evolving, with some early rumors being dispelled as new details emerge. For instance, the idea of the Mavic 4 featuring a sensor larger than the current 4/3 CMOS has been largely dismissed. Industry expert Joseph Blake points out that a larger sensor would risk encroaching on the market position of DJI's Inspire 3. Instead, the Mavic 4 is rumored to make a major leap in resolution by incorporating a 100MP main sensor, a significant upgrade from the Mavic 3 Pro's 20MP sensor. Even with pixel binning, which combines data from multiple pixels to improve image quality, a 2x digital zoom crop could deliver a sharp 25MP image. This approach aligns with what Apple calls a hybrid sensor design. Notably, this 100MP figure is expected to apply to the main sensor alone, not a cumulative total of multiple cameras, as seen in some smartphones. One potential shift that has divided opinions is the rumored change in focal length for the main camera. The Mavic May 4 feature a 28mm equivalent lens instead of the 24mm lens used in previous models. While the slightly narrower field of view reduces distortion, making it ideal for applications like mapping and cinematic shots, some users might miss the wider perspective. However, this change is paired with an improved f/2 aperture, which offers enhanced low-light performance compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's f/2.8. Additionally, rumors suggest the Mavic 4 will boast a 14-stop dynamic range and dual native ISO, allowing it to handle challenging lighting conditions with greater ease. These specs highlight DJI's ongoing commitment to delivering professional-grade imaging capabilities, a trend also evident in their recent Air 3S model. One of the most exciting potential innovations is the introduction of a variable, stepless built-in ND filter. This feature could be a game-changer for drone pilots, as it would eliminate the need to land and manually change filters. This is particularly valuable for professional users who require rapid adjustments to light conditions during flights. While it's unclear how this functionality would work across multiple cameras, if implemented, it would represent a significant leap forward in usability and convenience. The Mavic 4's rumored hardware improvements extend beyond the camera. The drone is expected to feature a 99.5 Wh battery, enabling flight times comfortably exceeding 50 minutes, a substantial boost over its predecessors. Additionally, the Mavic 4 could achieve a range of up to 40 kilometers, supported by DJI's new AccuSync 4 Plus technology and a redesigned controller. These upgrades position the Mavic 4 as a strong contender for long-range operations and extended flights. Pricing for the Mavic 4 is expected to remain competitive within the premium drone market. According to Joseph Blake, a base classic model with a single camera could start at $2,200. The Mavic 4 Pro, which is likely to include additional features, might retail for $2,800. Meanwhile, the Cine version, designed for high-end professional use, could be priced between $4,000 and $5,000. These figures suggest that while the Mavic 4 represents a significant upgrade, it won't dramatically increase in cost compared to the Mavic 3 series. As for the release timeline, a March announcement followed by an April launch seems increasingly likely. If these rumors prove accurate, the DJI Mavic 4 will offer substantial enhancements in image quality, usability, and performance, solidifying its position as a top choice for both enthusiasts and professionals in 2025. With its advanced features and competitive pricing, the Mavic 4 is shaping up to be one of DJI's most compelling offerings yet.